What is 8 times 6? Okay. This multiplication means repeated addition. If you consider this 8, then you need to add 8 how many times? 6 times, right? So you have to write 8 like this: 6 times 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to add this 8, all the 8, and you will get what? You will get 48. So answer is 48. 8 times 6, 48. You can also find the result 48 by using multiplication table of 8. 8 times 0, 0, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 8 easily, just at 8 with the previous step: 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 8, 40. This process will continue. 8 times 6, 48. If you think reversely, what will happen? 6 times 8 equal to what? So you need to, multiplication means repeated addition. So you have to write 6 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you add all these 8, 6, then you will get 48.